How will you improve the performance of a program in Python? There are several ways to improve the performance of a Python program. Use efficient data structure. Choosing the right data structure can make a big difference in the performance of your program. For example, using a dictionary instead of a list for lookups can be much faster. Optimize your code. Optimizing your code by avoiding unnecessary computations and using more efficient algorithm can improve the performance of your program. One way to do this is by profiling your code to identify bottlenecks. Using built-in functions, Python has many built-in functions that are highly optimized, such as sum, min, and max. Using this function can be much faster than writing your own equivalent code. Fourth, avoid unnecessary function calls. Function calls can be expensive, so avoid making unnecessary calls. For example, if you need to compute the length of a list, don't call the length function multiple times if you can store the result in a variable. Fifth, use list comprehensions. List comprehensions can be more efficient than using loop to create list. Sixth, use generators. Generators can be more memory efficient than using lists. They also allow you to process large data sets without having to load them all in memory at once. Seventh, use multiprocessing. Python's multiprocessing modules allow you to parallelize your code and take advantage of multiple CPUs to speed up your program. 8. Use Cython. Cython is a superset of Python that compiles to C code, which can be much faster than Python code. It allows you to write Python code that can be compiled to native machine code for better performance. 9. Use NumPy. NumPy is a library for Python that provides fast and efficient array operations. If your program involves working with array, using NumPy can significantly improve performance. 10th, use caching. If a program involves expensive computation that produce the same result multiple times, consider caching the result so that you can reuse it instead of recomputing it every time. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.